Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Tables. Let's start coding. First we will create a simple table and we will do some modification later. We use table tag for creating table and thead for header section and tbody for body section. Let's assign our class for table. Let's add tr and th for thead section. Let me copy and paste 3 more times. Let's add values. Those values is going to be header of our table. Let's add our values in tbody area. I need to create tr and th, then td. th, that th1 value is representing that header section. td, let me copy and paste 2 times more. Mark, auto, and developer. Let me copy and paste 2 more times for that tr. It's going to be our second value. Let's change the names. And let's change that one too. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, this is our header section and that area is our body section. It is a very plain table you can create with Bootstrap, but we can use lots of other classes to make some changes on the table. Let me copy whole table and paste one more time. I just click it that one to copy all of them easily. And let's add a HR and paste it. Let's add another class for table. Table script. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, that is the difference. Or you can add some color as well. Let's say table warning. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use color names such as info or danger. You see guys, you can see the changes on our table. Let's make it info for now. And then also we can assign different color for header section too. We just need to add a class name. Table, let's say warning. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we change color of header of our table. And let's add another class for table section. Table hover. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, hover effect. Let me copy and paste that one more time. Let me remove a couple of class for that example. And let's make it that one success. And let's make that one danger. Let's save it and have a look at it. Let's use some other class names. For example, table borderless. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, there is no border. Or we can use another one. For example, table SM. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we changed size of our table. Let me remove that class name and have a look at another class. Border primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we change color of our borders primary, which is blue. Or you can say info. Or you can make it light. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, you can assign different class name to change color of borders. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.